Bike check 2018. I did a couple things to my bike, so I figured I'd shoot a whole new video. Still got it. Kink the outfit frame. It's like 6 years old. We got a 20 3/4 top tube with a 13 3/4 rear end. My wheel was slammed at 13 3/4. Kink human bars, 8 3/4 rise by 28.5 wide because I cut them down some. ODI super soft grips. Kink lightest bar ends. They're like 5 or 6 years old. They're blasted away, still holding strong. I'm trying out this Superstar Revolt stem. It's got like the wedge style clamping area, so that's new to me. It's holding up pretty good so far, saving some weight. Running it upside down to get a little bit more height out of my bars. We got Sputnik headset with a couple spacers in there, Sputnik fork bolt, Sputnik Spectrum forks. I think they're 31mm offset. Blitz complete front wheel. Dan's clumped it up for me once like 5 years ago, and it's still, spokes are still super tight. Wheel's holding strong, so why change it? Odyssey Hawk tire in the front, 20 by 2.4. Stock stolen center peg in the front and back. The seat, stock stolen center seat. It's like 9 years old. Still got like the gut slash, I don't know what you call it, not pivotal seat, but it's not really a gut seat either, it's in between. Stolen center seat post with an integrated clamp. On the drivetrain we got the Shadow Scream 25 tooth sprocket with the BSD Forever chain. I highly recommend it. It's got a rust proof coating, a Teflon coating, so you're gonna have a really hard time destroying your chain. The bearings in there, 19mm Redline bearings, sealed of course. 48 spline, stolen center cranks, they're 170mm. Running these metal GT pedals right now because I keep breaking all my plastic ones, so they're like my last resort. What else? Down to the back, I guess, we got Fly treble rim, which I plan on replacing soon with my proper rim because this rim isn't that durable. Alienation spokes down to a Division Tactical hub 9-tooth. Heat treated driver. On there is a Daily Grind Infinity hub guard. And there's the other stolen center stock peg. Metal pegs, of course. Am I missing anything here? Slammed, like I said. A little bit of a hollow axle going on there. Bike weighs 24 pounds. Here's a little hub sound. It's not the quietest. Well, not the loudest, I mean. So, it doesn't really bother me how quiet it is. Always run Etnies shoes, because, you know, they're like the best. So.